Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how to make animated intro for YouTube videos by using PowerPoint presentation. तो जब हम ऑनलाइन वीडियो बनाते हैं तब हम स्टार्टिंग में और एंडिंग में हम इंट्रो बनाते हैं और वो एनिमेटेड मोस्टली रहता है। तो ये जो एनिमेटेड इंट्रो है वो हम कैसे बना सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन. So in this animated video, so this is our starting video. So in this starting video, we have seen that these balls are moving around this rectangle. So this is my channel name, Tidar Academy, and I have shown that these balls are moving around this channel name. So this is one type. Another, at the end, we have shown the like our videos, comment and subscribe and thank you. So how to make animation for this, like, comments, subscribe, our channel name and thank you. So these balls are moving, or these balls are moving as like a wheel. So this type of intro you can make by using PowerPoint presentation. So this is very simple method. You can make your own intros, different type of intros you can make. Just I am showing, or just I am telling the new ideas. You can implement that ideas in your way. So let's start. So first we will discuss how to make intro in this way. Suppose first you want to go to the insert, select the shapes, select whatever shape you want. So I have selecting this type of shape, and if you want to change the color you can change. Then I am selecting another rectangle and that I have put inside it. Select the color whatever you want and then add the text. So here I am adding my channel name, that is Tidar Academy. So I am changing font size, whatever you want you can choose. Changing color, going home, selecting whatever color I want, and in this way you can select the rectangle or whatever shape you want. And just now I am showing how to give the animation. Suppose this type of rectangle we have made. Go to the insert and select the circle. So I have selected the circle and I have copied it and paste. So I have get two circle. I have changing the color of these balls, and for this I am selecting another color. So this ball I have put on this bigger rectangular box, and this I have put this smaller rectangular box. Now first I have selected this. I am going to the animation, and here add the animation I have clicked. I am going to the more animation path. I have selected it, and here you can select whatever the size or shape you have selected. Here I have selected the rectangular shape, that's why I have selected the square, and then I have selected OK. So here what will happen, I have checked the preview. So this ball is moving around this, so I want to customize this. So I have adjusted this on the bigger rectangle, now this is adjusted on bigger rectangle. Now this red ball I have selected. I have go to the animation, add animation, go to more motion path, selected square, selected OK, and customize it on a small rectangle. In this way, this motion animation I have added. I am checking preview. So these are, so here what will happen, so here on one click the bigger size rectangular the ball are moving, this green color ball are moving around this bigger rectangular. In second click, this red color ball are moving around this small rectangular. But I want to make all these two balls are moving simultaneously and continuously. Just I want to change the next slide. So how to make it? So go to the here. So here is the animation is there. So select both. I have selected both, and I have selected both. Click right click on this. So here you will see the option start with previous. So I will start with previous. So all will start same time, and also I will go to the timing. So here is the timing, here is the with previous. So all will start simultaneously, all ball will moving simultaneously. Delay time is 0, and duration, so how much time you want to require this ball are moving around the rectangle. So here if 2 seconds you have to, so in within 2 seconds that ball will moving around that rectangle. So I want to change this time. So I have selected 3 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever you want you can select. I have selected 3 seconds, and then repeat. So none means it will repeat only one time. So it will move only one time around that rectangle, but I want to change that number of revolution. So here you can change 2, 3, whatever you want, but I want to select until end of the slide. When I have changed the slide, at that time these balls are moving around that rectangular. I want to do that. So that's why I have selected until end of slide, and then OK. So let's check it. So it will moving around the first page of channel, that is our first intro. So in this way we have seen that these balls are moving around the rectangular. In this way you can make the intro for first page. Now for second page, these balls are moving continuously, and here for thank you they are moving as like a wheel, also moving for our channel name. So how to do this? So similarly here I have selected 3 rectangle, and I have add the text like, comments, subscribe, and here is the thank you. Here is my channel name Tidar Academy. This is our second type. So here I have go to the insert, select shapes. Here I have selected circle. So here I have selected small circle, and that circle I have put on this my channel name. Similarly I have go to the animation, select add the animation. I'm going to the more animation path. Here I have selected square and OK. So here I have seen that this rectangular is big as compared to my rectangle. So I have adjusted it. Now check the preview. So it will moving around my channel name. So now go to the insert, select shape, select circle. So I have selected circle, and I have copy it, and I have made 3 circle with same dimension. I have changed the color of this. So I have selected red color. This another I have selected yellow. Now put this circle on this circle I have put on comment box, and this I have put on subscribe. So check the symmetry. So I have checked the symmetry. Now select one by one, go to the animations, add animations, more motion path, then I have selected square, then OK. Then I want to customize this dimension. So in this way I have adjusted it. Similarly select for red ball, go to the animation, add animation, go to the more motion path, select square, OK, customize it, as per our whatever dimension we have to for comment box. Similarly, select for yellow ball, go to the add animation, more animation path, square, customize it, in this way I have add the ball on like, comment and subscribe rectangle. So now I want to add another ball for thank you. So I have selected, say I have selected circle, small circle I have selected. I have put here, I have copy it and paste. So whatever number of ball you want you can select, and this third ball I have put here and check the symmetry and change the color, so it will look good. Whatever you want color you can choose. So then select all these three balls. So I have selected all these three balls. I am going to the animation, add animation, go to the more exist effect. Here I have selected wheel and OK. Then I have checked the animation. So here this ball are moving around this ball are moving around this, and here lastly these are moving as a wheel. But I want to, so here what will happen, suppose I have checked the slideshow. So in slideshow I want to click one by one, or that ball are moving one by one, but I want to do all the ball are moving simultaneously with a one click. So for that purpose I have selected all these, and then I have to click start with previous. So all will start simultaneously, it will come 0 0, so it will start simultaneously, and again I have clicked to time. So here with previous, so all will start simultaneously, delay time is 0, so all will start same time, and the for one complete revolution how much time we want, so that we want to put. For 1 second it will very fast, for 2 seconds it is medium, for 3 seconds it is slow, and for 5 seconds it is very slow. So I have selected 3 seconds, and here repetition, how much number of repetition revolution you want. So for none it will revolve only one time, for 2 it will revolve 2 times, for 3 and number of times. So I want to do revolution until end of the slide, so I will select this, so it will moving around that rectangular at whenever you have clicked the next slide. So I have selected in this way, and I have save it and check the, so all these are moving simultaneously. So in this way you have seen type 1 and type 2 intros for first and last page for your YouTube videos. If you like this video, please like, comments and subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this video till to end. Thank you very much.